Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Dao. I will write it in printing script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's get started. Dao means until a time, to go. For example, 见到见到 to see. 很高兴见到你 Great to see you. 很高兴见到你，很高兴见到你，很高兴见到你。Great to see you. 很高兴见到你。Now follow me to write Dao in cursive. Dao. Dao. Dao, until, to go. 见到 to see. Great to see you. 很高兴见到你。Please comment any words or sentence with Chinese character Dao. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.